Security precaution, I need everybody to stay behind the arrow so that I can keep a visual contact with everyone in the room. Please make room for everyone. Don't stop in the doorway. Move all the way into the hallway, please, down towards me, allowing room for everyone to come in behind you. You are allowed to take photographs in this room. Just turn your flash off because this is double pane glass and it will reflect back at you.
Hey, do you want to film?
Reflect back here. Reflect back.
Hey, do you want to film or no? Do you want to film or no?
Once again, please do not stop in the doorway. Move down towards me. Continue moving into the hallway. We have a lot of people to get into this hallway.
It's incredible, huh?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what you see in front of you is a large classroom. This area is used for the training of the astronauts, as well as for the designers and the engineers. What they do is practice in here, develop exercises, develop things before they actually get up into space. This area in particular, right in front of us, is a mock-up of the International Space Station. The two silver units on the far right and the desk. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you make your way down there and get an opportunity, you can see that Orion capsule along the way down. It does have the big United States emblem on it. You're also walking past a large swing set. That swing set is what's called the partial gravity simulator, or POGO. They use that to attach the umbilicals and the springs, that way they can support an astronaut and give a partial gravity simulation of what it's like to work and move in that kind of environment. We do not have a zero gravity trainer anywhere here on grounds. It's impossible to recreate zero gravity. You'll learn more about that in a little bit. Now right in front of us is what's called the full fuselage trainer, or the FFT. This full fuselage trainer is the exact size of the space shuttle. It just doesn't have wings because we don't need the wings for training. Now on the front and back side of that are the crew compartment trainers. As you saw in the video, they can be rotated into vertical and horizontal positions to simulate landing and launch procedures. Now our next shuttle mission starts its window on December 7th. They have their final briefing on November 30th. If you're back here during the week, you may have the opportunity to see them do some final training before they take off to Florida. Again, that is hit or miss here. Now underneath the shuttle, underneath this open cargo bay door, you see some patchwork area drawings, some diagrams. That's where we've been working on different ways to... Okay, as everybody makes their way down towards this, it's very difficult to hear, so I need everybody to stay close together, move all the way down as close to me as possible so that you can hear this. Right in front of us is an area where the astronauts practice training with these arms. Now the big arm right in front of us is the kind of arm that's on the International Space Station. It's an exact replica of it. It's just like your own arm, except it has 360-degree movement at every joint. You can use that to pick up all these objects that are on the floor here, that are around the area, the big round cylinders. They use these by filling them with helium to create partial buoyancy so that it simulates a satellite or another object out in space that can be moved with this arm. Over to the left is a smaller version of the shuttle, and on that you see